Welcome back. It's time now for a look at some of the major stories from around the world.
U.S. President Donald Trump has said he is not happy with Iran in the wake of the latest talks on its nuclear program, but said he had not yet decided whether to attack the country. The U.S. president stressed that he did not want to use military force against Iran, but said sometimes you have to. Concerned over the prospect of U.S. strikes against Iran led a number of countries to issue warnings to their citizens in the region on Friday. Trump has threatened military action against Tehran if it does not reach a deal about its nuclear ambitions. He has ordered the largest U.S. military buildup in the Middle East since the U.S.-led invasion of Iraq in 2003, while Iran has vowed to respond to an attack with force. And Bill Clinton's testimony to the House Oversight Committee has concluded after hours of questioning about his connection to Jeffrey Epstein. The former U.S. president was asked about a photograph from the Epstein files that shows him and an unidentified person in a hot tub. Clinton told the lawmakers he does not know who the woman in the photograph was. House Democrats say Clinton's testimony brought up additional information about Trump as they renewed calls for the president to testify. Republicans say they will release video of Hillary Clinton's testimony on Saturday, and the former president is expected to follow, as well as transcripts. Former President Clinton denies any knowledge of Epstein's crimes. He says if he had known, he would have turned himself in. And those were some of the major stories from around the world. I'm Hal Shane Burke.